In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your email on Pocket Option. Easy walkthrough. Start by opening your preferred web browser and searching for the official Pocket Option website. Before you proceed, make sure you're on the real site by checking for the secure padlock icon in the address bar. Once you're confident you're in the right place, log into your account using your usual credentials. For the smoothest experience, I recommend doing this on a desktop or laptop so the menus are easy to find. After you land on your home page, look to the top right corner and click on your profile icon. This opens a menu where you'll find the support section. Go ahead and click support to enter the help area. Here, select the option to create a new support request. This is where you'll communicate directly with the team that handles account updates like email changes. On the support request page, you'll see a search field designed to point you to the right resource. Type the word email into that search box. From the results that appear, choose the article titled, "Can I change my account email?" This article explains the process and provides the official channel for making the change. On that page, you'll find the official support contact details. Copy the support email address shown there exactly as it appears. It's important to use only the address listed in the article to avoid contacting an unofficial source. Now return to the support request form and follow the provided format. Keep your message clear and concise. Include your current account email, the new email you want to use, and a short explanation for the change. Be polite and double check that both email addresses are typed correctly to avoid delays. If the template asks for any additional information, provide it exactly as requested. Do not include sensitive details like your password or security codes. Support will never ask for those in a request form. Before submitting, review everything one more time: spelling, the new email, and your contact details. Then click to send your request. You should see a confirmation that your request has been received. Response times can vary, so keep an eye on your inbox, and just in case, check your spam or junk folder for replies from Pocket Options support. If they need anything else, they'll let you know and guide you through the next steps. That's it. You've used the built-in support flow to request an email change safely and correctly. Thanks for watching and good luck with your update.